अनोखे एपिसोड में हम इतिहास को नए तरीके से देखेंगे। भारत के दो महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी महात्मा गांधी और सुभाष चंद्र बोस हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं कि अगर वे आज के डिजिटल युग में ब्रिटिश राज के खिलाफ लड़ते तो उनकी रणनीति क्या होती। चलिए इस रोमांचक चर्चा में शामिल होते हैं और देखते हैं कि इन महान सेनाओं के पास 2025 में आजादी की लड़ाई के लिए क्या प्लान है।
नमस्ते दोस्तों और दुश्मनों, वेलकम टू हिस्ट्री रिवाइंड्स विद अ ट्विस्ट वेयर डेड लेजेंड्स कम अलाइव लिटरली। और आज हमारे टाइम मशीन ऐप से आए हैं two of India's most iconic freedom fighters straight from the past using our time passport. Please welcome the father of the nation, Mr. Mohandas Mic Drop Gandhi, and the man who made Hitler nervous with his charisma, Mr. Subhash Boom Boom Bose. Namaste, sir. Hello, sir. Please have a seat. You're looking so dashing, Babu. Please try that garma garam chai.
Thanks for the compliment, RJ Bunty.
Please have a garma garam chai.
Please excuse me, but your child is suspiciously capitalist. RJ Bunty, thank you. But from next time, kindly arrange a better chair. This one feels like British diplomacy, weak and uncomfortable.
All right, gentlemen, we'll make that a point. So, today's burning question: if Bartania Hukumat were still ruling India in 2025, what would you do to kick them out? Let's start with you, Babu. What is the modern version of your Quit India movement?
In 2025, I launched a campaign. Hashtag uninstall British Raj. Peacefully protest on Instagram Live. Followed by a 48 hours national Swiggy fast. No burgers, only khichdi and truth. और फिर हम करते हैं zoom सकते हैं. New turn, camera go. Offer silence on full power. ऐसे ही राजा चार्ल्स का नेट डाउन करवा देंगे. I love you, but this land sounds like buffering in 2G.
Oh, sir, what would you do differently then?
First, I will form INA 2.0, International Reform.
You mean Indian Nerds Army?
Yes. Nerds Army recruit hackers, YouTubers, and gamers. We infiltrate British servers, replace their Netflix with drama and reruns, block all the cricket matches, and leak Prince Charles gym selfies. Then I land in Delhi in a drone shaped like Netaji's face. So basically, TikTok revolution. Exactly. लेकिन डिसिप्लिन के साथ स्वैग भी देसी है और सेना भी डिजिटल है.
So, if you were to fight for a cause today, what would it be?
I launch Clean Chat, Clean India to reduce WhatsApp forwards. Start a fast against fake news and make simplicity viral again. I would launch Digital Azadi Movement. Free the people from WhatsApp fake news. Liberate them from toxic tweets. Storm the internet with truth bombs. Simplicity will be our weapon and clarity our command.
Wow, impressive. So, my final question: who would win in 2025? Satyagraha Gandhi 2.0 और साइबर सेना बोस 2.0?
The real winner is India with peace in the left hand and memes in the right. सच बोलो, ऐप खोलो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो.
Exactly. लेकिन डिसिप्लिन के साथ.
You mean why fight over methods when the goal is the same, right?
Yes. Why fight over methods when the goal is the same? ब्रिटिश अब नहीं चलेगा. तिरंगे के नीचे वाईफाई चलेगा. भारत माता की जय.
Wow, wow, wow. So, you heard it, folks. If we ever get colonized again, don't worry. Freedom Fighters 2.0 have got your back. Until the next time, Jai Hind, Jai Internet.